Hello everyone. So I'm in Mumbai right now and at Chor Bazaar. Of course, most of you have known the name, I guess. Chor means thief and Bazaar is like market. So it's quite famous place in Mumbai. People believe even to park their bikes and cars around here is unsafe because people say there is a chance somebody will steal the stuff from your car or even your whole car and sell it in the shop. Of course, it was very famous, especially during the British time. The story comes from the Queen Victoria when she came to India on her own ship. She lost her violin and British soldiers, they found that particular violin in one of the street here. But actually there is a different theory also is there. This particular street I am is called Mutton Street. You can see right there the Mutton Street, okay? And there is also another theory. This used to be a lot of shore. Shore is like a very crowded and noisy place. They couldn't pronounce shore, so they used to say chor. The chor became chor or shore became chor, and now this place is popular as Chor Bazaar. So of course the name says Chor Bazaar, but the later when British left, this place become more lot of antiques, whatever the old stuff people had, they couldn't take it back, especially when British left. They couldn't take a lot of the old stuff in their house. They sold those things in this area, and also all these mutton shops are closed. So then the place become more popular for antiques. Okay, so what we do now is, of course I'm going to explore this area a little more. So first let me take you into one of these shop here. See, there is a shop. I'll take you inside and show you what kind of stuff they have in this shop. Let's see what they have inside the shop.
Yes,
Hello.
welcome sir.
Welcome.
Yes, sir.
How are you? How
I'm
are you?
fine sir. I'm fine.
Good. चोर बाजार बहुत फेमस है.
Yeah.
You know, यहाँ पर सब कुछ मिलती है. Normally, okay, I want to say something. In general, when we speak, we say if there is something you lost or something you couldn't find anywhere in India, there is a strong chance somebody will say, go to Chor Bazaar, you might find it. Normally, we also say in Chor Bazaar, you can find anything except two things. But what are those two things? You just guess. I might tell you that at the end of this video. Okay, so come on. Okay, so normally बोलते हैं कि चोर बाजार में जाएगा तो कुछ भी मिल सकता है. एक चीज सही है.
चोर बाजार में it's a very famous old market and यहाँ एक Friday market भी लगता है from morning 5 o'clock to the evening 7 o'clock. और यहाँ से बहुत दूर दूर से लोग आते हैं, तो उस मार्केट के अंदर जूना माल भी मिलता है, नया माल भी मिलता है. They come and buy. So this is a very famous market, चोर बाजार.
Okay, but in general लोग बोलते हैं कि चोर बाजार में कुछ भी मिल जाए. ये सही है क्या? नहीं
मिलता है सर. जूनी चीज भी मिलता है, नई चीज भी मिलता है. पहचान की जरूरत है.
कुछ भी मिलती है.
मिल सकता है.
क्या नहीं मिलती है?
सब कुछ मिलेगा. पहचान जरूरी है.
मतलब everything is possible. Everything you can get here at Chor Bazaar. But you should know whether it is good or bad.
Genuine, good, old or new.
Good, old or new. So basically ये एंटीक ज्यादा मिलती है. एंटीक स्टफ बराबर है.
एंटीक स्टफ भी मिलता है. रेप्लिका रिप्रोडक्शन भी मिलता है.
So आपके पास क्या क्या है? आपके पास क्या क्या है?
Normally my shop is a mixture of all old and new items. Lamps and gramophones and telephone, and I keep all the mixed items.
ये क्या है ये?
This is a brass elephant.
एलिफेंट. ये कितने का आता है ये?
1500 रुपए का है.
1500 रुपए का एलिफेंट.
Brass elephant.
100 rupees. ये क्या है ये?
This is a diving helmet.
क्या?
It's from the ship.
ओ वाओ, मैंने कभी देखा नहीं है ये. क्या है? डाइविंग हेलमेट.
Yeah.
कैसे पहनते हैं इसको?
इसे पहनने के लिए डाइविंग हेलमेट पहनने के लिए 18 इंच चाहिए. ये डेकोरेशन पीस है.
अच्छा,
टेबल.
ओके, मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ कि कैसे पहनूं मैं इधर.
आपको पहनने के लिए मुझे बनाना पड़ेगा आपकी साइज का.
अच्छा, अच्छा, ये this is a small, it's a model.
It's a
Model
model
है।
for decoration.
अच्छा, ये diving helmet है.
Hmm.
I thought I can put my head in there, but no. Okay. So, और क्या है? और क्या है सर?
In my shop, you
सब
can
है.
find gramophone,
ग्रामोफोन
telephone.
दिखाइए, किधर है ग्रामोफोन?
Gramophone.
ये.
These are the gramophone.
ये
This also gramophone.
ये काम करती है.
Yeah, it's a working piece.
Working piece.
This
Okay.
is the gramophone horns.
हाँ हाँ
It can play the record also.
हाँ 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 हाँ. ये इसका records भी है आपके पास?
उसका record मिल जाएगा. See, now it is the gramophone.
आप play करेंगे इसको?
Ah, why not? It's a working piece.
Can I see?
I have to put the bracket and the record and it can work.
हाँ. ये कितने का आता है ये?
3,000 रुपए का.
3,000 रुपए का.
Yeah,
अच्छा. 3,000 rupees for a gramophone.
it's a new piece.
It's a new piece. It's not old.
Old piece you can find 15,000, 20,000.
हाँ हाँ.
Hmm.
Okay, it's a new piece.
It's a new piece.
Okay, people manufacture this kind of things even now.
Now,
Okay. There is also bottles.
when I'm happy, I used to play.
You also do this. This is yours, or to sell. ये
No,
sell
no.
करने के लिए या फिर
This is for sale also.
sell also. But when you are happy,
Always happy.
why
I
you
used
are
to
happy
play.
now?
Sometimes I get a good business.
Ah.
I'm happy and I'm playing.
अच्छा. So when people come, you also do entertain them.
Yeah,
With
entertain
this.
them. Yeah.
हाँ. Okay. ठीक है.
Yes, life is happy.
और
Always
क्या
be
चीज है?
happy.
और कुछ स्पेशल चीज है आपके पास? ये क्या है?
This is a धूपदान.
धूपदान. Okay. For the धूप. हाँ. Okay. और ये
This is a Indian Ashoka pillar.
Ashoka pillar. You see the Ashoka pillar. So you see when you see India's monogram, you normally see 3 lions. Here you can see, okay. But actually there is one more, 4 here. You see one. You see there are 4 lions. This is a monogram of India. This is a national emblem of India. You see. And this is Ashoka Chakra. We also have some radio here. ये वाला.
Wow, radio.
It's working.
Radio is a working radio.
You see, there is a radio working. ये कितने का?
4,000.
पॉडकास्ट के बारे में अपना फीडबैक देने के लिए हमें लिखें podcast@myradiocity.com पर.
So you can see all these kind of stuff. There are hundreds of shops basically selling, you know, the old stuff like antiques. You can see here the Nataraja. You can see there, and this is like this is actually I have seen this kind of things in Sri Lanka. Ceylon, yeah. You see this this kind of mask is very popular in Sri Lanka, and that's here. ये वहाँ से आता है, श्रीलंका से. हाँ, जिसे मैंने देखा श्रीलंका का. अच्छा. So basically all these things here, you know, a lot of antique stuff they sell here, and there are hundreds of shops, and in fact some of these shops you see you can't even go inside. You know, there of course it's all everything is dumped inside. Interesting. He came on his own motorbike.
In this age, still working.
I know. In Mumbai, 70.
75, still working.
Exactly.
And
But
give 5
I want to I want to ride my motorbike when I am 75. That's a wish I have.
Each and every people will like to end by 100 years.
Exactly. The only thing I want to do is I want to ride my motorbike. I have a small bullet, you know, Enfield. I want to ride that until I'm 75.
Very
Here in Mumbai.
maybe
Yes, yes. जी. आप मैंने देखा आप जब बाइक में आए ना ये वाला.
from where you
I am originally from Udupi, Mangalore.
Udupi, Mangalore.
We are at another shop right now. You can see right behind me all these stuff. I can't even say what is in there. I can only see the millions of stuff just dumped in the shop. So this is a you're the owner of the shop. Okay, so we'll have a small conversation with him about this shop right now. Okay, ये कितना साल से है ये दुकान?
दुकान मेरा दादा, मेरा बाप और 1 माह से 15 बच्चा,
1 माह से 15 बच्चा
हम
आपका
लोग भाई बहन,
भाई बहन।
सग्गा।
हाँ 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 हाँ। और आप इधर के 50 साल से हो इधर? ये
और ज्यादा ज्यादा।
ज्यादा। अच्छा।
आई एम स्टेइंग इन क्राफर्ड मार्केट,
Crawford Market.
वेरी बिग हाउस,
Okay.
ऑल ब्रदर स्टिल लिविंग, सम जोगेश्वरी, सम वेयर।
ये पीछे सब क्या है? आप क्या करते हैं?
सब मेरा कलेक्शन है,
हाँ।
हर चीज का। ऑल ओवर माय पीपल्स आर moving all over India to collect these antiques. Not in Mumbai, mostly Gujarat, Rajasthan. They are collecting all antiques and bringing here and selling to us because Mumbai is paying more money.
टोटल आपका दुकान के अंदर कितना सामान हो सकता है, मतलब अंदाजा कितना
हजारों
सामान?
आइटम,
हजारों अलग अलग आइटम्स
सब अलग अलग है।
आपका दुकान में। ओके।
We are very nice in Mumbai. Mumbai is a very good सोने की चिड़िया।